The second topic we chose to focus on was dance and education. Voguing was a dance that originated from these balls back in the 1920s and started to become popularized in society. An example of that would be Madonna's Vogue. They educated people about their culture through voguing. The most renowned voguer was Willie Ninja, who was a beautiful dancer and showcased his skills at many balls and was later recognized. And he is seen voguing in Malcolm McLaren's music video called Deep in Vogue, as seen at the end of the documentary. Through showcasing their voguing skills and mainstreaming it to society, they have brought awareness to their culture and have been educating outsiders to embrace these balls and their freeness. Towards the end of the film, you can see a ball going on with white reporters and a camera people filming the events and interviewing some of these drag queens, putting it on air for the entire world to see, which was a really big deal because at the time they had been so underground.